Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, and today's video I'm going to post an Aari embroidery work only. So I just traced a picture from my drawing book, a simple swan, and I'm just going to make a Zardosi work. So I've used 5 products over here. Beads, I've used beads, Zardosi, jumki, and then thread and the golden zari thread. I've used only these 5 products for making this particular design, and I just traced the design from my book into my fabric, and then I have just started off. The first thing is to make the outline with your golden zari thread. Only then you will get an idea. So I'm just putting a chain stitch using golden zari thread. So always, as I've said earlier, so whenever you start a outline with golden zari thread, always make sure if you are putting small chain, then you have to maintain the chain length throughout the design. If you're putting a little bigger, then you have to maintain this shape. You have to maintain the size of the chain throughout the design only, then it will give a neat look. So now I have completed with the outline. I have put 2 lines of golden zari thread. I have completely covered all the lines using this golden zari thread, and then I'm going to proceed on with my next. So I'm just going to cover this body using the normal needle. I'm just filling it with jumki and the golden balls. So I'm taking one jumki and one small golden ball, 2 mm one, and then I'm just stitching it. So I'm just going to cover the center portion of the body alone using this chumki and the small golden ball. So now I'm done with the center body portion. So same thing I'm doing on the sides also. There is small round shape. So I'm just filling that one also with this chunky and the golden ball. So the next shape, it is like something like a feather shape. For that I'm just taking I've just cut the Zardosi into small pieces, and then I am just ending it with a chumki. You have to take Zardosi and chumki using your normal needle, and then you have to stitch them. You can see the Zardosi will be on top of the chumki. In such a way you have to stitch it. This you can use it with a normal sewing needle. So I'm just going to fill that particular row of feather using this Zardosi and chumki. So you can also put French knot, or you can use, instead of Zardosi you can use glass beads also, like it will be tube beads you can use. That will also will look good. So since I had Zardosi with me, I am just working with this. And in Zardosi also we get many colors, so if you want to use any colors you can also go with that. So I'm just about to finish this row. So after completing this row, I am just proceeding on to the next row of feather. For this I have used the Zardosi and 4 mm golden balls. In each feather I have completed it with 3 lines of Zardosi and golden ball, so that it will give a grand and a filling look. So after completing, this is how it will look, the feather portion, and the remaining body portion I have covered it with a French knot using normal sewing thread. So this is the complete view. If you like our work, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel Sashi.